Hello Word. Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is citizen. Let's dive right in. A citizen, in its most basic sense, is a legal member of a country, someone who has the rights and responsibilities that come with belonging to that nation. It's a B2 level noun, meaning it's a common word you'll hear and use frequently as you progress in your English learning journey. Think about it this way. Being a citizen means you're officially recognized as belonging to a specific place, like the United States, Canada, or the UK. Now, let's explore some words that are similar to citizen, also known as synonyms. A good synonym is national. For example, he is a British national. Another one is subject, which implies allegiance to a monarch or government. We can say, as a subject of the Queen, he pledged his loyalty. Think about the phrase law-abiding citizen. You can also say law-abiding national. These words aren't always perfectly interchangeable, but they share the core meaning of belonging to a nation. Now, let's look at words that are the opposite of citizen, also known as antonyms. One important antonym is alien. An alien refers to someone who is not a citizen of the country in which they are living. An example sentence is, she applied for a visa as she was an alien in the country. Another antonym is immigrant, although this word is a bit more nuanced. An immigrant is someone who has moved to a new country but may or may not be a citizen yet. They are often on the path to becoming a citizen. You could say, the immigrant worked hard to learn the language and integrate into the community. Another antonym could be considered foreigner, a very general term for someone from another country. For instance, the city attracts many tourists, both local and foreigner. Now, let's talk about how the word citizen is used in everyday life. You'll hear it in news reports, legal documents, and even casual conversations. For example, you might hear someone say, it's our duty as citizens to vote in elections. Or, she became a U.S. citizen after living there for 5 years. You might also encounter the phrase concerned citizen, which refers to someone who is actively involved in their community. For example, a concerned citizen raised awareness about the environmental issue. The term global citizen is also frequently used, describing someone who identifies with a global community and acts in its interests. Now, let's look at some more usage examples of citizen in sentences and phrases. All citizens are equal under the law. The government is responsible for protecting the rights of its citizens. He is a proud citizen of his country. She is a citizen by birth. He became a naturalized citizen last year. We also have phrases like citizen journalism, which refers to the practice of non-professional journalists reporting news. To recap, a citizen is a legal member of a country with all the rights and responsibilities that come with that status. We explored synonyms like national and subject, and antonyms like alien, immigrant, and foreigner. We also looked at how citizen is used in everyday conversations and common phrases. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope this has expanded your vocabulary and given you a better understanding of the word citizen. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and benefit from these lessons. It takes just a minute and it makes a huge difference. And now for your homework. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word citizen and share it as a comment below. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word. Bye for now.